Hey guys, welcome back. Time for a tank update. There are some changes here, as you could probably see in the left tank, but there's actually a little bit going on in the right tank, the quarantine tank. Um, as you can see here, I got some. I think they're micro swords. They're Liliopsis. Um, my LFS was having a really good deal on some, over the weekend. So on Saturday, I picked up some of those. I got two clumps. The clumps were like $1.99 each. As you can see, I've got quite a few little plugs, I guess you would call them. As you can see, I'm feeding right now. This is the Southern Delight fish foods that I've been feeding. My female ram doesn't really seem to like these little red bits. She'll chew on them and then spit them right back out. I don't know what her deal is. But, no biggie. We're also feeding it over here, which actually I got a couple of new little guys here. I don't know how well you can see them. These are false neons or green neon tetras. They're pretty rare, I guess. Lively little pair. I picked them up because they were a really good deal too. They were $4 for the pair. Two, basically $2 a piece. Or maybe it was $3. I think it was $4 though. But they're doing good. I've had them since Saturday. They're eating, and they're lively. He has been absolutely fine with them. As you can see, he's still quite pale though. But yeah, he's been perfectly fine with them in there. I figured though, give him, some buddies or whatnot, and maybe help him color up. He has been showing a little bit better color, but it's still not 100% there. As you can see, I had some extra Liliopsis, and I put it in here in the quarantine tank, just kind of give them some coverage. And then there's also some of my jungle val. I don't know if you guys remember, it was all growing throughout here. There was all kinds of runners or whatnot. I must have pulled up like 30 or so runners. There's a clump of them back there in the corner. Another little clump right here with this tall guy, and then this little clump right down here. I clumped them all up. Hopefully, they'll still be fine. They should be, since they're acclimated to this water anyways. I mean, they're used to being there in the first place. So, we'll see. The stuff in this tank, I have it kind of immersed growing already. As you guys can see, it's already shooting straight up to the top of the tank, which that's kind of cool. That's a Liliopsis that's doing that. So I think we should be good no matter what. With having some of it grow and take off. The male ram, as you can see, he's still he's chugging along. He doesn't really eat voraciously, or he just kind of These guys, they went nuts. As soon as I dropped the food in. Now you can see that one there picking at that little pellet. I only put one pellet in here. I don't put a lot of pellets in, figuring the fish's stomach is only as big as their eye, so I want him to eat the pellet mainly. But I mean, if they peck at it, that's perfectly fine with me. Hopefully there's enough nutrients in this water where these plants will do something. It seems so far that they might be all right. But yeah, I mean, as I said, I'm trying to get him to color up, and just, I don't know, be more at home, I guess. I would eventually like to put him back in the main tank. I think I've mentioned that enough times. My viewers know that. Oh, one thing I do want to mention. I am going to be removing this algae scraper off here. I don't know if you could see. Yeah, you could probably see it. There's a scratch right here. Yep, no more Algae scrapers, the magnetic ones. I don't recommend those. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video though. You know, just a short little update, typical 5-minute. Everything else is going good other than the fact that I did lose another assassin snail. If you got assassin snails, guys, I do recommend you try and feed them like once a week. Just put in some kind of sinking food of some sort, and you know, make sure that they can at least get like you know, one little pellet or something like that. I really don't overfeed, so like only a couple pellets go to the floor. I have this crab cuisine that tends to go over really well, you know, with the snails and the shrimp in there. I just, you know, I take some of these little sinking sticks and I'll cut them up in half or whatnot. You know, so I'll take 3 of those, so 6 little pieces end up falling to the bottom. If that gives you an idea, my 15-gallon. And then I don't put anything in that one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That little feeding tip should help save your assassin snails if they are killing each other due to lack of food. Alright, and hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.